If you're struggling to sleep at night or you have insomnia, you're not alone. Approximately 1/3 of adults report regularly having problems falling asleep and staying asleep. Most people just reach for a sleeping pill instead of trying natural remedies first. And some of those natural remedies can be very effective. In today's video, we'll talk about 3 natural remedies for insomnia that actually work. Now, before we dive into the video, please tap the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Insomnia is when you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep at night. Even though it's normal to have some trouble sleeping from time to time, it becomes a problem when it happens regularly, which can impact your quality of life. The most common cause of insomnia is stress, but it can also be caused by medical conditions, medications, mental health disorders, sleep disorders, and bad sleep habits. If left untreated, chronic insomnia can increase your risk of developing serious health problems such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes. So let's talk about what you can do about it. No one can't fall asleep no matter how tired you are. You're not alone, and you don't need pills to fix it. Here's an easy trick to fall asleep in 2 minutes. When we're anxious or stressed, it can make it much harder to fall asleep because our minds are overthinking everything. Fortunately, there's a simple trick you can try that helps calm down your mind so you can finally fall asleep. This trick has been shown to help people with and without anxiety fall asleep faster and improve their overall sleep quality. Here's how it works. First, stop fighting the feeling of being awake. Trying to force yourself to sleep never works, and it just ends up making you more alert. Instead, accept the fact that you still awake and relax your body by closing your eyes and taking a deep breath. Next, imagine a peaceful scene in your mind. It can be any place or situation that makes you feel relaxed and calm. For example, you might imagine yourself laying on a beach, watching the waves, or sitting in a quiet forest. Whatever you choose, visualize it in as much detail as possible, including what you see, hear, and feel. By doing this exercise every night, you'll eventually train your brain to go to sleep whenever you want it to. And you won't even have to do the visualization exercise anymore. Okay, now let's move on to the second tip, which is no. 2. What if you could fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed using simple remedies that actually work? We've already talked about one remedy that can help you fall asleep faster, but there are 2 other remedies that can significantly improve your sleep quality, and they're guaranteed to be side effect free. The first remedy is melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Your body produces melatonin in response to darkness, which triggers feelings of drowsiness. Taking a melatonin supplement can help reset your circadian rhythm and promote better sleep. Studies show that taking 0.5 milligrams of melatonin daily can help insomniacs fall asleep faster and improve their overall sleep quality. Just make sure you only take small doses of melatonin, since taking too much can make you feel groggy or even trigger a headache. Another great remedy for insomnia is chamomile tea. Chamomile is a plant that's used to make a popular tea known for its relaxing effects. It has a calming effect on the body, which can promote feelings of drowsiness and relaxation. Studies show that drinking chamomile tea can help insomniacs fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. To get the maximum benefits of chamomile tea, drink a cup of it about half an hour to an hour before bed. Avoid drinking too much of it since it can make you feel drowsy or even trigger a headache. Now let's talk about the third remedy, which is number 3. There are certain vitamins that have been shown to help with insomnia, but you need to be careful which ones you choose. Vitamin D is a popular nutrient that many people take to improve their sleep quality. Studies show that vitamin D deficiency can lead to insomnia, but supplementing with it can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and promote feelings of drowsiness. However, taking large amounts of vitamin D can disrupt your sleep and make it harder to fall asleep. So make sure you only take small amounts of vitamin D3, which is 1,000 to 5,000 IU daily. Magnesium is another vitamin that plays an important role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Studies show that magnesium deficiency can lead to insomnia, but supplementing with it can promote feelings of relaxation and drowsiness. Some of the best food sources of magnesium include spinach, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, almonds, and avocado. Finally, zinc is a trace mineral that plays an important role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Studies show that zinc deficiency can lead to insomnia, but supplementing with it can promote feelings of drowsiness and relaxation. Some of the best food sources of zinc include oysters, crab meat, beef, chicken, nuts, and beans. And if you'd like to learn more about the top vitamins that promote better sleep, go ahead and tap the link in the description below. Now let's move on to some important bonus tips. First, you should know that a lack of physical activity can contribute to insomnia. Exercise releases endorphins that promote feelings of relaxation and drowsiness, which can make it easier to fall asleep. Try to incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise into your routine every day. But avoid exercising too close to bedtime. Another thing that can affect your ability to sleep is the amount of caffeine you consume. Caffeine is a stimulant that blocks a neurotransmitter called adenosine, which promotes feelings of alertness and wakefulness. Drinking too much caffeine during the day can make it harder to fall asleep at night. Try to avoid drinking caffeine after lunch and switch to decaffeinated coffee or tea in the afternoon and evening. Finally, it's important to establish a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your circadian rhythm and promote better sleep. Use an alarm clock to wake up at the same time each morning. And use the visualization technique we discussed earlier to fall asleep faster at night. Now you need to understand that while these tips can help you improve your sleep quality, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're struggling with insomnia, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and tap the like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And click the video on screen now for more natural remedies for insomnia.